Welcome to Reefer Renegades. It's JJ and D-Rock with me. We're going to be making a burger for you from the Bob's Burger recipes that came out of the Loot Crate. Today we're going to start with the first one, the New Baconings Burger, because new beginnings, and that's what we're in, a new beginning for our website. It's just basically a bacon burger. It's got, we already went shopping, got some french fries, some bacon, some beef, some milk, some eggs, tomato, and that's what it's going to look like.
Minus fries.
Right now. But alright, so first we have to season the beef. Which is just going to be with salt and pepper. My lovely assistant D-Rock over here. We have some Black Angus steak burgers here, pre-made from Walmart.
Yes.
Salt.
Pepper, good sir.
I'm going to do both sides. I love the way raw meat feels. 'Cause I hate it. Alright. Oh, Jesus Christ.
That was a nice one.
That's 4-5's burger. It's extra salt for 4-5. It gets from moving around, creating extra noise. Alright, now we have our burgers, salt and peppered.
Expertly seasoned.
Expertly seasoned. 'Cause that's what the damn card says to do, put salt and pepper on it.
Expert.
Now we're going to take these 4 patties and we're going to cook them until they're about done and then put some cheese on them.
We'll cook them till they're done.
About done for the cheese, motherfucker. Here. My assistant's going to take the plate. And we're going to bring to y'all this nice George Foreman grill. Should have probably preheated it. I'm hoping this don't burn me. This is a wild idea.
So why do I have to use these and you get to touch it with your hand?
You're unprepared.
What? What is unprepared? I washed them.
You can touch them with
A
your hand
while
too if
ago.
you want.
No, I haven't washed my hands. I washed my hands a while ago.
He's got Band-Aid shit on his finger. Alright, so we're going to put these burgers. Well, I mean, it's not hot.
I went to grab this one and it started falling apart. I need your hand.
And I say this is a 4-5 burger, right?
No, that was.
No.
I think that was this one.
Not much worse than that.
Whichever one has
It
the
really
most
don't
of
matter
it.
to me.
Nah. I hope this looks as stupid as it feels. Alright. Got a little sizzle going
It's
on.
up pretty quick.
A lot faster than I
You got
expected.
something to flip them? Is that what you're using these for, too?
Yeah, that's what I was going to use this for. Not for you handling raw meat.
You got a spatula? You gotta use rubber dog. Alright, go on there, George Foreman.
I don't know where this thing gets hot at yet, so this is going to be an experiment.
No, you should be good.
Alright. Derek and I both work in a restaurant as it is, so we're kind of professional cooks as it is, you know?
I would agree. Kind of professional.
Alright, just check it. Oops. This can be a week better.
What'd you put it on? 5?
For
More?
now, yeah. To get it hot. I've never used this thing. I don't know how you're supposed to use it really.
This is the first time using the grill.
Me? Other people use it. I've never used it.
What was I saying? It's a first. New beginnings.
I get a regular grill instead of
Hey!
which one? Derek found a spatula.
No, he didn't. I was here.
Out of midair.
Shout out to Q45.
This, if anyone recognizes it, belongs to Pizza Hut.
Dude. Fucking copyright.
It's okay.
Pizza Hut's gonna come after.
Trademark. They're gonna trademark sue our ass. That's flipping them patties with our shit. That's supposed to be
It's the beautiful thing about when you used to work at some restaurant, man.
Ooh, look at the coloration on them patties. Sorry guys, we'll get an excerpt from this, but I'm gonna get some coloration on them patties.
Alright.
Oh, that's right. Starting to smell good.
Yeah, I've never had like 3D burger smell.
Yeah, like so you can feel the grease.
Cause tomorrow I'm gonna have like a whole new setup of pimples.
It's just nice grease.
Teenage years. Tomorrow I'll be Gene, today I'm Bob.
There you go.
So, I don't know, have you watched Bob's Burgers?
Yeah. I've watched all of it.
Who's your favorite character?
Gene.
I think he's my favorite character too. I'm mad that you said Gene. I was like, shit, he took my thunder. If Jasmine was down here, she would have said Louise.
Yeah, Gene.
Yeah, right. What's the little height one that wears the bottom all the time?
Louise.
That's Louise. I like the one that's depressing. She is the shit.
Tina?
Tina?
Yeah, Tina's always thinking about how she and her mom's always horny, but you never really.
I just seen the other day, like, she rated out to be like the most liked cartoon character ever.
Yeah, like Tina is the shit.
Oh, wow.
Should have had Tom over here cooking my burgers.
Hell yeah. That would have made for a vid. We might have Tom come guest star and cook a burger one day.
Tom, the Burger Man. Start making money with the hire him on to be a professional burger cooker.
Systems.
You hear me, Tom?
You have your signature.
The burgers are smelling good though. I wonder if the lid will help.
Help you cook,
Inside a
huh?
little?
Well, yeah. I didn't know if you wanted that part to start yet.
I love it how your assistant doesn't have to get up to his.
Yeah. You saw pretty good at what he does. I don't know what to say.
If you need something picked up, I have hands.
He can pick it up. My lap is getting a little warm, but it's tolerable at the moment. Tolerable.
Is that because of the lid
Are
going
you
on?
setting
or
your
is that-
knee on the bowl?
No, I mean it's just I can just feel the heat guy.
Yeah, that's cool.
Hopefully electrically everything's cool too.
We're gonna pick this off in a fire.
We do. We do have a lot of shit plugged in.
That would fucking suck. But yeah, Gene's the best character. I think. Awesome fart noises. I'm still a child, 36-year-old child. I still love to hear him. Plus he says the most random shit in the world.
Yeah.
He does say the most random
That's
shit
the
in the
best
world.
part.
Gene is that dude. What the hell did he say to his pops?
Oh no, the
one time?
twins are
That
pretty
shit-
stupid.
They are.
Yeah.
What the
They
heck
are.
are their names?
It's Ollie and holy shit. What was that?
Dude,
Power out.
we powered out. I can't.
The process.
So right now we're having a small power outage. We seem to still have full capability as far as recording
The
and
storm is treating us
sound.
nicely. What a wonderful night.
Yeah, all we did was trip the breaker.
That's
Yeah,
it.
Yeah, because this is off.
yeah.
Oh,
Where is
shit.
the breaker?
I mean, obviously this is off, but I'm pretty sure we tripped the breaker.
Too much then.
Hell yeah. Garage. It's the only one that's up. Flick it on. Or do you want to unpower something first? Unpower one of the lights. I say yeah, that one.
That's off. Let's unplug it too, just to one less source.
That was so tight.
These are the kind of things you get with our videos. Random excitement. It could be a dog. It may be a power outage.
Or just a simple breaker.
I think that's the one that was off.
The burgers will be done very
There
rare.
we go. Is the GoPro about to die?
You know what else?
Is that what I heard?
I do not know.
Okay.
And it's back cooking.
Back cooking. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna start a new company called George Five Man.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we still recording. We still got sound going.
Did it ever go off?
No, I turned it off for a second. Now I just turned it back on when Derek put the light back up. So that's gonna be cool for a little segment. You're just gonna
What's up?
have that video together. I should have left it recording. I should have.
I know. I said pause it
You
right
said
away.
pause that for 5. I was like, damn. I should have damn left it recording.
Yeah,
This little GoPro was good.
that's hilarious.
That was nice.
Well.
Okay, now we're fully
Welcome
returning.
back to the cooking couch.
We will be putting that in the bonus footage.
Delete scenes.
Heck yeah, off the rip.
All right. So, burgers are smelling nice, and we're about ready to flip them again.
Ooh,
Yeah. I think we dispatch the young assistant. How y'all like your burgers cooked?
Kind of like a medium.
Done.
Sad
Yeah.
part is I have a
Mm.
thermometer upstairs. They really smell good. Like my glasses are fogging up. And also, sorry if it got a little darker in here. We had to shut down one of the lights. Apparently they're pulling too much power. Yeah, all this grease is falling into that cup, right?
It's mainly just staying right here.
I just watched a bunch roll down in there, so I was to make sure it was a cup.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nah, it's falling right to your crotch.
Like, does that smell? What's that bird?
They smell really good. I have them shut off for a while. They're doing good.
Alright. $156. $160. We can go ahead and shut these down.
Heck no, cook them more.
You sure? I mean, they're reading like.
Yeah, they're reading there, but the inside probably ain't done.
You can cut the end of mine so you can see it.
Take that spatula and chop it. Okay, never mind. That one looks pretty done.
Alright, so we're going to add the
Just
cheese.
add like a lot to it. Well, let's get it.
I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Well, I believe in this bag right here, I got the cheddar cheese. Maybe I'll put it in the refrigerator. Behind you. We're very organized today. You gotta bear with us though. It's our first cooking video. This is just an idea that Do-Rock thought up.
Can we
The situation that we're doing because we were trying to figure out how to do it.
Can we alter our recipe at all?
Possibly. What's up?
I want some mozzarella sprinkled on mine off.
Mozzarella?
Mozzarella with my chip. But that will throw it off, right?
No, I mean, there's gonna be some burgers. We're gonna try all the burgers in the box.
Well, yeah, I sprinkle mine off the camera, bro.
I can't do raw egg. Not raw egg, but runny egg. I can't do that.
Yes, sir. That is some kind of wonderful.
You want to nip all of them just to make sure all of them are done about the same.
Derek is adding premium cheddar cheese.
Thought I grabbed 4.
He doesn't apparently know how to count. That's why we work in the fast food industry, see us? Flipping burgers. Your teacher warned you about it. Don't become us. Go to school.
Yeah, I did go to school.
Alright, never mind. That doesn't work either. Hand me the lid so I can let this cheese melt. My assistant's always preoccupied.
Why are we always known as assistants?
The little bitch is always preoccupied.
Okay. Assistants were cool. Wait, what the heck is a trash can?
That's a good question.
We do not have
Table
one.
is now deemed trash can.
This kitchen doesn't have a trash can in it. Alright. Shouldn't take too long for that cheese to melt. Ooh, nice and crisp.
Plates.
Well, I tell you what, man. Work sees this, I might take over Tom's job.
Are you toasting buns on grill too? Do-Rock in the building. About to build his Bob Bacon Burger.
My new beginnings.
New beginnings of bacon.
Bacon.
Burger. Ooh, let's zoom in on this food porn.
Oh, actually. These little spoons are awesome.
Derek is currently building his burger. Spreading that mayo right nice. And a little mustardo. A little bit more mustardo.
Oh yeah, no, I like mustard. Mustardo. Mustard is delicious.
Huh?
And since it is recipe, I will put banana peppers on this, but I will not like that.
Actually, you don't have to because that's not part of the recipe.
Then why
It's
they-
not.
What is this?
I don't know. I guess
Specialty topping, I guess.
my food chopper added those to it.
Okay,
So we're just trying to be nice. Help.
I am relieved.
Mmm.
Off the bacon. Oh, we're getting on to me about eating the bacon, so I stopped for a little bit. All right.
Alright, D. Let's get a big bite, bro.
That's the patty.
Turn it to the side so we can see it.
Oh, there's a lot of lettuce.
Yeah,
on that
there we
side. It's
go.
kind of tough to see.
Ooh, patty. Let us know. This is it?
Good stuff.
Oh yeah.
Look at the satisfaction in that face.
Are we allowed to just like finish these right now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Smash.
Oh heck
You
yeah.
want to make one?
Yeah.
Alright, get up. Snap. I forgot onion.
Let me take stage. Dang on it.
Stage is yours. Shut up. There's food in my hair.
Hey. Let me see a picture. Let's see. Bust that down. Give us some onions. Yeah. On my back. Like onions a little bit. some bacon. It says 2, but I stole 3.
Shit, I'm gonna do 4.
Alright, what? No, tomato. I do not favor tomato, but recipe is a recipe. Especially, I like that on my bacon. Come on.
I'm not a fan of it either.
No. Okay, I'm gonna flip my patty over and put it on that.
Put the what?
Yeah. Ooh, and it's
Found the card.
and lettuce. I like the leafy green lettuce. Yeah. Heard. On top of that, little toppings, a little mayo. Do my store.
It's done.
Okay. And that's the deal.
You're in the middle of making it. I heard Derek take the last bite. I could hear it. I was like, what?
Gone.
Bam.
The new beginnings. Baconings.
New Baconings burger.
I got tongue tied earlier.
Full 5 style.
Bite this thing.
That was a big bite. Oh, you got some extra flavor.
Was that lettuce? The strand or is it hair?
I'm on the phone with mine. Add it to the recipe.
Mmm.
A little sprinkle of hair.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna pass this off to you so I make me a burger. Cool. Getting a little cool with try to take that. Get them down here. Alright. Maybe on some onions. Alright, let's see. I'm not gonna make it the same way. I'm just not doing it.
What?
I'm gonna use the same stuff, but I'm not gonna build it the same.
Oh, build it to picture.
I'll build it to picture.
What the heck? Who puts the lettuce on the bottom of the burger?
Bob.
Bob does.
Or whoever makes Bob's Burgers.
Oh, Bob is right.
Bob is wrong.
I've never had lettuce so delicious on a burger.
Shizzalicious. What?
Oh, look at 3 made the cut.
I still don't know what she said.
Slice of tomato.
Shoulderlicious?
Cheese, tomato.
Sugarlicious?
That's everything, huh?
Wow.
Alright, now I'm gonna have to add me some pickles. I like pickles.
Yeah, I noticed pickles weren't on the card, but those were up there, so and I put those on mine.
Yeah.
Mod.
The sad part is the cheese and all looking all dry on it now. Yeah. Fucked up and didn't put no condiments. Let's give me some mayo.
Some?
Yeah. I like mayo on my burger,
Yeah, I could tell.
not on my tuna. On my burger. Also a mustard fiend, and I like to put it on a different roll than my mayo, but
Yeah,
I don't
same
have that
here.
option.
My only reason being is because I didn't want to get the spoon all covered in mayo and then stick it back in the mustard. Feel like, you know, other people might be picky.
Yeah, other people might be picky. Alright. That right there. It's new baconings for the new beginnings of Reefer Renegades. Go ahead. This is good shit.
Heck yeah. Now you understand why I devoured mine.
Jasmine's gonna have to eat hers cold. Fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh is not to eat it cold. I like that. That was good.
Ain't that you're wrong? Didn't get too smoky in here.
No, not too bad. It was only when you opened the grill that one time.
Yep.
But yes.
Mind if I have another bacon?
It's always bacon.
Okay, cool.
Oh, you feel good?
All right. Fresh is here to make her Bob's Burger.
Bob's new Baconings burger.
The new baconing for the website.
Let's see here. Okay, sorry. We'll lift up the patty real quick. Lettuce is supposed to go underneath.
She's going the same way as the car too.
Yeah, indeed.
Derek's the only one that didn't.
Yeah, I was the only one who was like, who puts lettuce under the burger?
Breaking the law.
Does that make Derek the only renegade of this video?
Cheese is
I
on
think
top.
so.
I don't like tomatoes, but I'm gonna have to use one.
Yeah. 4-5 did it too.
Barf. Alright, the bacon.
Best part.
These are the pieces.
So how's it going for you over there? Looking promising.
And some onions.
I can't see the burger.
Good. You know, I gotta try to make it look like how it does in the picture.
I was pretty happy with the way mine looked.
Picture perfect.
Here's my burger, damn
Oh,
it.
you even stacked the onions in a little teepee. Okay.
Damn it.
Did you put your mayo and mustard?
It doesn't call for that, does it?
No, but you need some condiments. Come on now.
No, man, you gotta follow the rules, bro.
You're a
I called
dry-
Bob. He told me he
You're a dry.
condiments are up to the customer. He said.
I am not. What's his name? That sits at the bar all the time.
Teddy or Mort?
Teddy. I'm not Teddy. All right. Good lord. So here's my new baconing. Tastes a little fermented. It's like that.
You did get a cold one now. And also, to the viewers, the quality of the sound might be off on this because I forgot to turn the microphone on.
Oh yeah. I now notice that.
Yeah, I looked over when she said that. I was like,
Not half bad.
not moving.
You don't necessarily taste too much of the tomato, though this says 2 slices. I can't get down with that.
No.
I'm good with just 1. Okay. Times 2, I guess. Alright, Bob.
Good?
Not too shabby of a burger there, Bob.
I can dig it.
Alright, so the general consensus is it's a good burger.
Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome burger it is. Hold on.
That light's off, bro.
Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome burger it is.
Special ed. Special ed.
Alright.
Full 5, I'm gonna say about 4 or 5 times. How?
Next time we have the fries.